We always have to keep a mask in our bag. Wear your mask, people. I always have a lip product in my bag.
No basic song.
Hey Stushy, and welcome back to another video with your girl Stushy. So today's video is going to be a what's inside my small pink bubblegum Telfar bag. So if you're interested in seeing what I keep in my bag, then keep on watching. If you are new, make sure you subscribe down below. Hit that red subscribe button down below so that way you can officially join the gang. Make sure you also watch this video in its entirety because there are usually bloopers at the end of all my videos, so make sure you stick around and feel free to drop a comment at any point during the video. Let's continue the conversation. So this is my small bubblegum pink Telfar bag. So being that it is Black History Month, I wanted to highlight one black fashion brand that I actually enjoy, and that is the Telfar brand. So I wanted to showcase my pink bubblegum Telfar in today's video. Here she is. So the first thing in my bag that I'm sure everyone now has in their bag is hand sanitizer. I actually think I got this at Target, or was it CVS? It's one of the two. It's just the Everyone hand sanitizer spray, and this is actually the coconut and lemon hand sanitizer. I love this. I just keep on refilling it with alcohol just so that I always have, you know, a hand sanitizer in my bag. Next thing that I keep in my bag is this mini Makeup Forever setting spray, because sometimes we just need a refresh. We need to refresh the face, okay? And it could definitely get very dry underneath a mask, so I always have a little bit of setting spray in my bag. The next thing that I like to keep in my bag always, because crusty lips are just a no for me, so I always keep a lip balm of some sort in my bag. This one is actually from Laneige. It is their glowy lip balm, and this is the berry flavor. Always have one of these in my bag, whether it be this or the Laneige sleeping mask. I always have a lip product in my bag. If I'm not carrying a lip balm, then I'll probably be carrying a lip gloss, maybe like a mini gloss bomb or something like that, because the lips just always have to stay nourished. The next thing that you'll find in my bag is a mini lotion. So this one is actually the Coco Cabana Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. So I usually have one of these in my bag. It's either this one or the orange one. I will note though that there is Lush lotion inside of this because my Bum Bum Cream actually ran out, but I felt like the container was great for travel, so I just added another lotion inside and I just keep it in my bag. The next thing that I like to keep in my bag is a mini brush. So this one is actually from Julep. I got this at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of the two, and it's just a retractable brush. Let me open it, see if I can open it with one hand. Ooh.
While Patchy pulls himself together.
So what it is a retractable kabuki brush. I can easily just put the top on, close it up, and bring it in my bag, because 99% of the time my nose is sweating. My nose is probably sweating right now, and sometimes we just need to touch up our makeup. So I always keep a little brush in my bag just in the event that, you know, I need to touch up. The next thing that I like to keep in my bag are some tissues. Now these are some Kleenex tissues. Oh wow, it actually matches my bag. Didn't even realize that. But yeah, these are some Kleenex on the go tissues. It comes with 10 in the pack, because again, sometimes my nose is sweating or we just need to wipe something. You always need some form of wipes or some form of tissue in your bag, so I like to keep these. The next thing that I like to keep are these Good Wipes Down There wipes. These are the rose water wipes. Now these are pH balanced, biodegradable, flushable wipes, so I like to keep one of these in every single one of my bags. I get these from Target. It comes in like a pack of 20. I could be mistaken, but I'll leave everything linked down below. I like these wipes. It says, "Psst, you're a genius." So we just try to keep it fresh at all times, so I like to keep one of these in my bag. The next thing that I like to keep in my bag is my 7 Mia comb. So it is a comb from my friend's business. I like to keep this in my bag because sometimes we just need a comb through the curls. I like to keep this just so that things are not like tangled. You know, sometimes when you're out all day, the back of your hair can definitely get caught in jackets and stuff like that, so I always keep a comb in one of my bags. Next up is some money, my bank card, my driver's license, and health insurance. You always gotta have your health insurance on you. You never know what can happen to you, God forbid, on the road. So make sure you guys keep your health insurance on you. 99% of the time, I'm not carrying actual cash, but I just happen to have some cash in my bag. I wanna note that sometimes I do actually have my cards in my wallet. This wallet can fit in the small Telfar bag. Next thing that's usually in my bag are my keys. So I have my keys in here with my key fob for my car as well. And I also keep my AirPods in my bag as well. This is my cute little AirPod case. Isn't it so cute? It is a strawberry. We got this from Amazon. I'll leave it linked down below in my Amazon shop if you guys are interested. Y'all are gonna laugh at this, but the next thing that's in my Telfar bag is a Snicker. Yeah, I always need some form of candy, something in my bag. I always need a snack. Sometimes I just feel like I need some energy. So listen, a Snicker could bring you right back to your normal self. So I always have some candy or something in my bag to munch on. And the last thing that's actually in my bag, y'all are probably like, damn, what else you got in that small bag? It actually holds a lot. When I received my first small Telfar, I think the first one that I ever purchased was the gold. I was like, I wonder what can actually fit in here, and it actually holds a lot of things. So the last thing that I keep in my bag is a mask. Y'all know we always have to have a mask, and it's funny, my mask actually matches my bag. How cute is that? So this mask is actually from my business, Caprial NYC. So let me put the bag down real quick. So it just says cute AF underneath. We always have to keep a mask in our bag. Wear your mask, people. Wear your mask. Make sure you also wear it over your nose. Okay, do want to say that because a lot of y'all be wearing it over your nose. Kind of defeats the purpose, I'm just gonna say. So yeah, that is everything that I keep in my Telfar bag. That is everything that I keep in my bag on a regular basis. If I am bringing around a bigger bag, say I'm like taking pictures outside or something like that, I'll bring around a bigger bag. But other than that, I'm pretty much always wearing a small bag. I love small bags. They're really cute. They're definitely not as heavy as a big bag. Okay, I remember my shoulders used to be hurting with a bigger tote bag. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I haven't made a what's in my bag in like 3 years on my channel. Don't go searching for the first video because it's kind of cringy. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave your girl a big thumbs up. Share this video with someone that you think may like my content. Subscribe down below if you haven't already subscribed. We'd love to have you become a part of the Stush gang. And make sure you also turn on your post notifications so that way you're alerted whenever I upload the next video. Thank you guys again for checking in for today's video. I love you guys. Remember to shop black. Remember to always wear your mask. Make sure y'all wear it over your nose. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye guys. But yeah, so let me go ahead and put all this stuff back. So if you're interested in seeing what I keep in my, it's so hard, hold on. Okay, hold on. Just because, you know, I'm probably out, then you'll most likely find a lip gloss in my bag. So de Janeiro, I'm carrying usually a lip gloss because, you know, I'm carrying usually then I probably need to wipe something, or I might need to dry my hands if comb. We just need to comb through the curls. So this is what it looks like. So it's just so next up is some money, my cards, my ID, and my pressure goes. Because listen,